If you're looking to manage your PayPal account more effectively by disabling automatic restrictions, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon or settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Security tab. This section contains various options related to your account's security features, including restrictions. Step 4. Review Automatic Restrictions. Look for an option related to automatic restrictions or account limitations. Click on it to see the current settings and any restrictions that may be in place. Step 5. Disable Automatic Restrictions. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the isroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to manage and disable automatic restrictions on your PayPal account. Always remember to keep your account secure and monitor any changes regularly.